You'll see a lot of different colored jerseys, but there is only one yellow one, and it's been belonging to Tyler Wright for a major slice of 2016. Can Tyler Wright take out a first world title as early as the stop here, stop number 8 on the Samsung Galaxy Championship Tour? Stay with us and we'll answer all these questions during a big first week here in Europe. Tyler Wright matches up against Sage Erickson and Laura Enever as we move through to round 3. Beautiful beach scenes here. It is late in the afternoon, 3:30 in the afternoon, and it's just a peach of a day in Portugal. Wright throwing all the question marks out that she is due for her inaugural world title. So we have the official news. We're back to a full 30-minute clock, now starting that clock countdown again. So this is a restart, and just as we say that, the ocean will cue up the opening ride for Tyler Wright here. So within the first 30 seconds of the restart, Tyler will get to her feet, and that means you cannot have a restart again. Wright's heat this morning, Strider, took out Keely Andrew and Teresa Bonvalo for a nerve-shaking round 1. Now let's have a look at Laura Enever. Nice snap, dips her head. Left is offering more, and she'll keep lacing together combinations. Now into the third rotation. That's a much better one, well defined. And Laura Enever gets a respectable start. 4 surfers plus 2 wildcards for 36 to start every men's championship tour. Of course, women's is 17 plus a wildcard. Let's have a look at this replay.
Nice first turn. Nothing huge, nothing explosive. Strong fundamental surfing. I did like the last turn the best. I think that was more of a pivot on the lip, and that's what we like to see. So, a mid-range score for her. Wasn't a very big wave. She didn't get into a nice warm afternoon here as we see the ladies trying to find themselves a little wave right here.
Well, this is a priority play, so first priority did belong to Sage Erickson. Of course, Tyler was showing interest in this wall, and why not? Because Sage has gone to the backhand for 2 big turns. We saw her doing much of that earlier on, and now Tyler will pick up on the second wave of the set. Big wrapping turn, lots of spray flies. Nice tight pivot. And as I say that, she'll drop in a hole, and Sage Erickson possibly slightly more weighted on the points earnings on that exchange, Strider.
Yeah, I would definitely give Sage the nod as far as the exchange goes. That said, we're watching him paddle back out, and Tyler's going to get position. So let's see the replay right here. She threw it up into the falling lip right there. Nothing amazing, but right here, she does get a really nice clean off the top done as the wave closed out on the inside. She did not get up in and above the lip, so she's going to probably fall in around her mid-range. Right here, Tyler, nice open face sweep, and then comes up into the corner. Looks like it's going to be something to deal with, but then gets bucked off as she comes back in with the lip. Very uncharacteristic of somebody like Tyler Wright, yet Tyler
moving back in favor on the main peak. And let's have a look. Little grab for an opportunity. Laura Enever will want to rub out that priority mistake. Running now wave number 2. Just watching her really grapple with the low tide conditions here in Ginshu.
Well, she's going to get back out and get reset. I almost thought that was going to be a little gift for her to paddle in, lose priority, and then get a rebate. As she came off the bottom, she came up into the corner. First turn pretty clean, actually. And then these next 3 turns were just, she pushed water right there, trying to get something done. She pushes again, trying to get something done. And then this inside turn right here, she somehow just digs a rail into the face. So definitely not what she wanted out of that wave. Happened there.
When we went to break, Strider, Tyler, there you see still lying third here in this round 3 encounter. Waiting for numbers to check in, though.
Here we go in the break. This is what happened. Coming around the corner, boom, up into the lip, fins out the back, pushes hard. Another beautiful sweeping cutback into the corner. Another one to back that up. Nice redirection, and then still going towards the inside, trying to find the inside connection and finish off strong. This wave, when you get the right one, it can just keep connecting and finding different sandbars all the way down to the inside. So a great wave for her. A 7.33. Are you kidding me? That was one of those waves she was waited all the way through the heat. I mean, 30 minutes really, if you look at how the first 10 that nobody caught a wave.
Yep, so now let's pick up on live action. Laura Enever now down into second at the expense of Tyler Wright's 7.33. Will go to work using that steeper face. That's been the theme all the way through the outgoing tide here in Gynshu. And Enever, nice little roll out there for one of our two Australians.
I like it. Like to see. We'll see it again right here on the replay. Off the bottom, straight up into the bowl. Bang! Gets the fins free. Comes off the bottom again. Another little setup snap right there. Then comes to the very inside and finishes off the first turn, the strongest of the three.
Put that score together, holding 5s and 4s and some decimals. So requirements of a 5.34. Meanwhile, Tyler Wright wants to dispose of a low-scoring ride, and it won't happen with that one. As we move down now to 6.5 to go, Sage Erickson opened with a nice strong maneuver. Now she's doing the same again. That is a great snap. Lots of speed and flair. That one got you interested, Strada.
Yes, it did. I think that Sage would love to win this heat after losing to Tyler Wright.
Well, Tyler hunting here. Squared up turn. She's using an inside reform. She'll keep it going. She found the 7.33 on this part of the beach. Smaller wave here, but she's going to stick with it. She knows that clock is ticking. A nice squared up hack there from her. Good delivery. Looking to ditch that 317. That'll easily have happened now when the judges bring a number for that.
Most definitely. Surfing with a sense of urgency right there, which to see Sage Erickson's whole ride as well, so we can kind of compare the two and see where we're at for the heat. Here we have Sage off the bottom. Nice little tap off the top right there. This turn right here, nice and aggressive, which I liked. But only one really good turn on that wave. So depending on how that falls in, we'll have to see. And then on the inside right here, bang, right there. That first turn, I liked the sense of urgency and the want for that wave, but then forcing through this middle part of the wave. She really didn't get much done until she came to the inside right here where, again, she forced through the wave without a lot of flow. Two good turns on that wave. Tyler had a great first turn. Sage had a great second turn. So here's Tyler. You know, the sense of urgency, you can see it. Bang, right off the top. Really kind of late to the party, but flowed through it because of how fast she was going. The rest of the wave, I think she really pushed to get anything done on this wave at the end of it. And the inside turn really pushing through. Although the other angle will show you how much tail she got into the lip right there. That angle we couldn't see, and that's going to be the key for that wave and that score when it drops.
In a big day one of competition here in Cascais in Portugal. Reminder though to sober the situation up that this is a non-elimination round. And so no matter what the outcome, all surfers still remain in the story. And here we go with Sage Erickson. Requirements of a 617. Open face turn. Some of these right-handers have really let our athletes down, and some of them have offered up the numbers. Nice combo. Two whitewater taps there. Strider's swinging his head left to right on his shoulders here. We will wait for that score though.
Well, you gotta compare that wave to the wave of Tyler Wright. So Tyler Wright coming in at a 5.50. Was that wave a half a point?
Bigger wave, softer wave, right?
To a point more.
The questions, a 4.27 is what Sage Erickson will take home for that. It won't appear in her top two, and Tyler Wright can breathe as she moves through to the quarterfinals here in Portugal. We'll have Pete and Rosie back in the booth as we continue through round 3.